In this video, I'll show you how to create two-step sign-up form. I'll show you how to collect email addresses as well as a phone number for email marketing. So let's go to my computer and do step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so now let's create the two-step form and let's use the form we were creating in the previous video with a single-step form. So just click on the sign-up form. Let's look for that Klaviyo mastery video, the one I was creating in the previous video. So it's very easy to do. Let's switch to desktop. I don't know why, but it's easier for me to see. What you do here, you can either add a step or just duplicate this form. You can do SMS opt-in, personal information, or blank step. Personal, information, like you see, they have birthday, or you can collect some style they like, or what kind of gender, or who they are shopping for, or what are their dog's name, or pet's name, and so forth, or kids' names, or how many kids you have. So you can collect a bunch of different information, or you can do the SMS, and you can do, just put it to which form, and as you can see here, it's already created the form for you. Now we just need to make sure it looks like the form we created in terms of colors. Let's do this, and in terms of types. So this is one way to do it. Another way to do it, you can just clone this form, and instead of address, what you can do is to go to blocks and do SMS. So let's delete this one because it sees that we already added the SMS, and you can do SMS. Oop, you see, it already gave you the consent. So you can remove this. Okay, I deleted it so we have more space. I deleted the extra text. I deleted the countdown timer, so we have phone number, we have a text. You can change it so it looks better in terms of colors. So let's change this color to this and change this color to that. You can make it smaller. So now we have one form. So we have a teaser, we have a form. After they submitted the form, they will be directed to this SMS. So let's rename it SMS form. Since we duplicated from emails, we need to change this form to submit. So when I change the button to subscribe via SMS, as you can see, it disappeared. Why did it disappear? Because it's only visible, this option is only available on mobile. So now what we should do, move it here, or let's actually move it here, and let's say get additional 50 off. No, just going crazy. So we have that. So what do you do on a desktop version? So you just go to desktop. So let's go to add blocks, add button. Make sure we have the same color, which is this one. Click here. Yeah, the same color. Let's get additional 50 off. And now we need to submit form, and it will go to SMS subscribers. So now we have two-step form: teaser, email form, SMS form, and success message. And after you're done, click publish and it will be visible on your website. So we just covered how to create two-step sign-up form. It will improve your retention marketing since you will have their email and phone number, and you will be able to retarget them better and retain your customer for much longer. In the next video, we'll go over forms analytics.